So you're looking for a pair of wireless earbuds. The first thing that pops into your mind is the Apple AirPods. You head over to Amazon, you type in Apple AirPods, and you end up finding something that looks very similar called the Fantime Fun 7 wireless earbuds. I'm going to tell you why you do not want to buy these earbuds. I repeat, do not want to buy these earbuds. But before I do that, I just want to say that if this is your first time to the channel, welcome to Plug and Play. If you like this video and it helps you steer clear of a bad buy, please consider subscribing, hit the little bell notification so you don't miss any other videos. But without further ado, let's jump right in. So if the person that I explained sounds like you, don't worry, I was in the same boat. I would love to have Apple AirPods, but they're out of my price range and I'm not really wanting to jump in that far. So I went online, looked up Apple AirPods, and I ended up finding these, the Fantime Fun 7s. Like any good technology consumer, I went straight down to the reviews, started reading over some of the good ones, all of the bad ones, and some of the ones in between, and I ended up thinking, man, these are a little bit dicey. They seem like they're pretty good, but I'm not quite sure. Head over to YouTube, look up the Fantime Fun 7s, and watch video after video after video saying that these things are awesome. I'm sold. So I order my AirPod competitors for 45 bucks, and they arrive. Open the box, pull them out, turn them on, pair them to my phone without any issues. It actually was a lot smoother than some of them that I've tried. Plug them in, turn on my music, and they sound fantastic. So I stay a little longer, jam it out at my desk with my phone right in front of me, and I say, you know what? Let's hit the road and see what these things are made of. Toss them in my pocket, take 2 steps towards the door, and my audio cuts out. Now, this isn't something that I haven't experienced before. Bluetooth and any other wireless technology does have connectivity issues sometimes, but my mind quickly goes back to a bunch of the reviews that I read where people were having audio connectivity issues, and I start to wonder. Giving it the benefit of the doubt, I turn my phone off, disconnect, completely remove the pairing for the Fantime Fun 7s from my phone, repair them, plug them back in, start them back up. Everything seems great, throw them in my pocket, take 5 steps towards the door, and once again, I'm having audio connectivity issues. I decide to press on, and I go, you know what, let's continue on with my day and see what happens. Shortly after that, things get even worse. I start getting notified that the battery is almost dead, and meanwhile, while all that's happening, I'm getting this weird distorted connection with the audio between the 2 headphones. Now, if you don't know how a pair of headphones like this works, let me just break it down for you really quickly. One of them pairs with your phone, and then it simultaneously pairs with the other one. So you have 2 connections that are going on, one connected to your phone, and then the 2 are connected to each other. I started having an issue with the connection between the 2, which was making audio jump back and forth between left and right, and all sorts of other artifacting with volume differentials, volume changing, static, all sorts of stuff. That's when I knew I started to have a problem. So I jumped back into the reviews to reconfirm that I was reading this properly, and sure enough, the review list is plagued with connectivity issues and battery issues, both of which I'm experiencing at the same time with my unit. With all of that said, I do not recommend the Fantime Fun 7s. I'm not going to put a link in the description below because I don't want to draw any more attention to them. I don't want to send you over there and have you start reading over stuff and be convinced otherwise because, you know, their marketing and the way things are all kind of displayed, it looks really great. It seems awesome. They look like AirPods. The price is right, but they just suck. So I would recommend you steer far clear of the Fantime Fun 7 AirPods. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. Hopefully it helps you steer clear of these particular AirPods. I don't recommend them, and I hope you don't fall into the consumer trap that I believe that they are. If you like this video and you feel like it helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, you disagree with what I had to say, or you want to just talk about it a little bit more, throw those in the comments down below so we can have a conversation. I love interacting with you guys. But other than that, that's it for me. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, thank you again so much for watching that last video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, I got some other videos right here that you might like. And again, if you like that video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any other videos.